Smart ways to spend vacation. Become a better version of yourself. How to become a better version of yourself? Invest in books. Read books of your choice. Start building your personal library. Read book reviews. Make a list of must-reads. Stay in touch with good readers. Books will transform you. It will empower you. It will widen your horizons. It will give you new perspectives. It will lend you wings. You can even think of improving your skills during the vacation. It could be technical skills. It could be soft skills. It could be vocabulary enrichment. It could be writing skills. It could be handwriting. Why? You can even learn to cook simple dishes. Work on a project, preferably a team project. Projects will promote 21st century skills such as critical thinking, communication, collaboration, creativity. Students can explore real-world problems and challenges. It will develop cross-curricular skills. Vacation is a good time to learn a foreign language. World is turning into a global village. Your world is becoming bigger if you learn a new language. Choose a language strategically. Vacation is a right time to get fit. Stretch your muscles. It could be cycling. It could be workout in the gym, or jogging, or long walks, or trekking. This will rejuvenate your health. Work on your weakness. It could be maths. It could be language. It could be public speaking. It could be decision making. It could be laziness or lack of action habit or even assertiveness. Work on your weakness. Take time to think. Think afresh. Think anew. Think about your career. Thinking gives you new ideas. It helps you to be creative. It gives you focus. Don't forget to listen to daily news. Read the daily newspaper. Watch educative movies. Listen to video talks by eminent scholars. This will enable you to remain updated. Enroll yourself into internships. Integration of classroom knowledge and application and skill development. It will also help you in work experience and it will help you to explore a career path. Internships will refine your skills. It will give you a financial compensation and it will help you to network with professionals. Why can't you build something? It could be as small as a cage or aero modeling or a working model or even a wall. If you are interested in automobile engineering, you can dismantle and reassemble old gadgets, old two-wheelers. This will help you in identifying the parts. You will also come to know about the working principle, but there should be a senior to help you and guide you. Get to visit institutes of higher learning and museums. This will provide exposure and first-hand experience. It will inspire and motivate. Don't neglect prayer, meditation, and reading the scriptures during the vacation. This will enhance your spiritual quotient and it will enable you to be in peace with yourself. Strengthen your family ties. Get back to your roots. Spend quality time with your parents, with your grandparents. Listen to them, assist them, and serve them. Why can't you help your mom in the kitchen? You can help her to remove the clutter and dispose unused things. Research your family history. Make a family album. Organize family picnics and family trips. Bridge the distance between your relatives. Reach out to the community. Vacation is the right time to reach out to the community. You can tutor for a change. You can organize a cleanup drive. You can visit your old teacher. You can make a visit to the hospitals, old homes. Why? You even visit your neighbors. The next thing you could possibly do in vacation is to engage in environment-related activities. Create a patch of greenery, even if it's a small pot. Plant saplings. Seed ball preparation with your friends would be a great idea. Provide water to birds and small creatures. You'll be saving their precious lives in summer heat. Start compost. Remove the plastics and cultivate greens. Be in tune with your academic work. Glance through your coursework. Work on your weak areas, your weak subjects. Gather the study material, your resource books, your question papers. Plan and practice a schedule for study. Install the study habit. Get to talk with your seniors, your teachers. Work on core subjects. A good beginning is half done. Next, document your work. Maintain a student portfolio. A portfolio is a compilation of academic work and other forms of educational evidence. Write a journal every day. Spend at least 15 minutes writing a journal. That will give you a great benefit. Take relevant pictures of your work. Get your work certified by officials, teachers, school and college authorities if it is community work or group projects. Collect feedbacks. Smart ways to spend your vacation. Let me summarize. Become a better version of yourself. Strengthen your family ties. Reach out to the community. Engage in environment-related activities. Get in tune with your academic work. Document your work. Of course, it's an exhaustive list, but you're free to pick and choose. Have a happy holidays. This is Sri R. Prem Kumar, Principal, Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Gajanur, Shimoga. Thank you.